Alright, what's good guys? It's me, Antonio Howell, and today what I have here, I'm at my mom's job anyways, is this double cheesy gordita crunch. My mom just made this for me, thank her, because I was hungry. But this junk look good, so, alright. Well, since now that I got it, it is time to dig in. It was hot at first, so I couldn't already have a bite to it. So yeah. Hold up, I gotta process. Process is key. Please, phone, do not fall. Had to make a stand. Now time to taste this delicious double stuffed cheesy gordita crunch. Oh my goodness. This double stuffed cheesy gordita crunch is tasty. Anybody that go to KFC, if they go with their mom and they work there, definitely get this taco. Because it is so delicious.
We're making a YouTube.
I'm about to get another bite. I know I'm getting a little bit messy.
Alright, bro, here you go. I want to eat my tacos.
Alright, well that was the bite of the taco. Anyways, y'all stay blessed. Thank you. I know this was a short video. And see y'all later.